Welcome to Module 4.3, Workflow Friction. In this lesson, we are going to keep the work simple. We're practical and useful. The focus is to explain workflow friction as the place where work slows, stalls, loops back, or becomes confusing. And before we go any further, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not being asked to carry more information. You are being guided to see the business more clearly, lower the cognitive load, and take one useful step toward founder freedom. You are in the right place. If work keeps slowing down, looping back, or returning to you, that does not mean your team is broken. It usually means the workflow is unclear. Friction is not just an annoyance. It is information about where the business needs stronger ownership, clearer standards, or better handoffs. The goal is not to judge what you have built. The goal is to help you see what is currently depending on you, then turn one piece of that knowledge into something the business can use. When the work becomes visible, it becomes easier to teach, easier to improve, and easier to transfer. Here's the key lesson for this module. Friction reveals where ownership, standards, or handoffs are unclear. This is not about perfection. It is about making work more visible, more teachable, and less dependent on the founder. Founder freedom is built when hidden knowledge becomes a clear rule, standard, rhythm, handoff, checklist, or dashboard item. By the end of this lesson, you will complete 3 simple deliverables. First, you will complete the stuck workflow map. You will choose one recurring workflow and map where it starts, who touches it, where it slows down, where it loops back, and where it returns to you. Second, you will complete the friction cause diagnosis. You will identify the source of the friction, unclear owner, missing decision rule, undefined standard, weak handoff, missing tool, incomplete information, or lack of authority. Third, you will complete the relief point selection. You will circle the one friction point that would create the most relief if fixed. That becomes your first workflow improvement priority. These deliverables help move important founder knowledge out of your head and into a format the business can use. Your activity is the stuck workflow map. Do not use this activity to judge yourself. Use it to create clarity. Look for patterns, not perfection. Your implementation prompt is, circle the one friction point that would create the most relief if fixed. Your quick win is this. Choose one stuck workflow and write the sentence, this slows down because. Then add one fix, owner, rule, handoff, standard, template, or review rhythm. That small step matters because trust grows when the founder can feel progress immediately. As you complete this lesson, remember this. When you name one friction point clearly, you stop carrying the confusion and start redesigning the path. Order is not built in one big move. It is built one clear decision, one written rule, one transferred responsibility, and one improved rhythm at a time.